now we are through.
What do you?
I know now we are through. Our next stage. I don't know our next opponents, but we shall be ready in time. I know. Let's hope we get a weaker team so that we get the game.
When you talk about our weaker team,
a team which is not organized like we are.
Generally about.
I said I don't know our next opponents, but let's hope. I don't know who will qualify, who will not. So we are just waiting for the team, for any team which will come.
In Uganda.
And him searchidako. Simanyi betuddako kuzannya naye kansabe tusanga abanafuko. Betusinga okubeera abeeteefuteefu tusobole okuyita. Mate munazanye ebeera y'amaanyi. Njogere bulungi. Ngenda kubavuma.
Watera kwao.
Tukalanga kwa Chwambala.
Atezo bikwatako.
wakula tu wakula.
Tukalanga kwa Chwambala. Ate luvanyuma ne yetonda.
Kale tugere maaso.
Coach, you're now out of Uganda Cup. First of all, how was the game? They have beaten you 3-0, they beat you 5-0 the other time. What is the assessment?
Issues of 5-0, that's a different league. This is Uganda Cup 3-0. We came in to play Uganda Cup preparing for Villa. We know very well we cannot concentrate on Uganda Cup because we have a bigger task. We are in relegation. We cannot put all our minds on Uganda Cup, but we came to play, and the boys gave in whatever they can give in. But Bidiko, being a strong team that they won the league and also they won the Uganda Cup trophy, they came and they won the day. But all in all, my boys played their hearts out.
Uganda.
Uganda Cup tuze ujisamba nga tuli preparing okusamba Villa ompira gwa foguddako. Bidiko gye tusambye tiimu ya amaanyi eyagala ebikopo bibiri kakati ffe tuli mu struggling eri mu relegation tujja kuteeka birowoozo byaffe byonna ku ki ku Uganda Cup weba Uganda Cup tutuyamanyi kyamakulu kiri awo tuze tutusambe naye nga tupreparingira gemu yaffe ddako abaana basambye bataddewo embeera nnungi ne golondo zamuziraba ezibatuteebye nja kubebaza for the good game.